Yo, I think I forgot how to work this thing, bro. Oh man, it's been so long. It's been like a month since I picked up a camera, yo. What is good, gang? It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building, man. Welcome back to another video. I apologize for not posting, bro. It's been a while. I just been really busy. I got back in the gym, trying to lose some weight. You feel me? Trying to get big. You feel me? So about a couple weeks ago, I made a podcast with the homie Bastien Drip. I'm gonna need you guys to go check that out if you guys haven't checked out that podcast. Lighting got me looking like a freaking demon or something. Get to know me a little bit better if you guys, want to know about me, about how I got into cars, YouTube, all that stuff. Go check out that podcast. I will link it down below. But yeah, you know what's new? Check this out. Oh, I know you guys see this sweater. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys wouldn't have known that I just dropped merch. Literally today, I dropped the website. I got the smooth hats too. You feel me? I got a bunch of stuff on the website, so if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, support your boy. We gotta make moves now. It's time to make some moves. I want to see the smooth apparel everywhere. So the hat, I got a bunch of hats here. The hats I'm gonna sell off the website for now. If you guys want a hat, hit me up. Instagram. I gotta display this real quick. Shit. So this is what I got now. I got the smooth snapbacks, green on the bottom. I got the pink dad hats with the smooth in the front. You feel me? Fire. Got the red, yo. I think the red is my favorite right now. It's just, ooh, it's nasty. Then we got the black. Can never go wrong with black. So if you guys want one, hit me up on Instagram. I made an Instagram just for the smooth apparel, so follow that too, right there. So if you guys want a hat, hit me up on Instagram. I will ship it out. Let me know. Hit my line, bro. If you want these, yo, fire. I'm hyped on these. But yeah, I got a bunch of merch on the website. I got like 6-7 hoodies, a couple different shirts, and some sweatpants. I even got a phone case too. Peep, this is my phone. Bam. See that? Bam. So you guys want to support your boy right there. Shopsmoothapparel.com. You feel me? I just dropped it today too. I'm gonna go meet up with some of the homies, and we're gonna do like a little photo shoot with the whips. I'll probably take some shots of some of the clothes I have. So let me show you one of the hoodies that's on the website. This white one with the red smooth, and then on the back it says keep shit smooth. And I got a couple of different ones too, so you guys can, if you guys don't want keep shit smooth in the back or this, just go check out the website. Buy it, bro. Alright, let's go see if the cartoons are on, because I don't think it's gonna turn off, to be honest. Kalake! Long time no see, motherfuckers.
What?
Long time no see.
I know, bro. I've been under a rock like Patrick.
He's not under a rock though. He's in a pineapple. Drinking and driving. Drinking and driving? That's good, bro. Lock me up. Downshift. One more. Yeah, baby. We're about to hit the tunnel. Right now. You ready? You ready? Here we go. There we go. God damn. What the fuck? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
If you
yeah.
don't have no money, nigga, don't fucking ask you, bum man.
Oof. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Ooh.
Hold up.
Movie.
Hold up.
Yo, that looks fire,
You
bro.
recording?
And the camera looks nasty.
Actually, let me put it on. You recording for the vlog?
Yeah. Oh. Hey.
Trying to get a groove with that booty.
Oh.
Bro, why you took like 70 pictures?
You need a hookah, bro.
Hold up.
Hey.
Nigga, no me tires fotos así, yo parezco un loco.
Only, bro.
Yeah, I said when you go to edit it, go on my lights and make them brighter. Like, you know when your lights.
When you come in big, pop. Ooh. Yo, what?
Day 2.
So yeah, I told you guys to ask me some questions, so I could do a little Q&A for you guys. Ask me whatever you want. So first off, what do you do for a living / job? I'm an electrician. You feel me? I've been doing it now for 4 years. I'm actually gonna get my license. Well, I'm gonna try to get my license anytime soon now. Pray for me. Pray that I pass my license, because once I get my license, I can make more money, more car parts. Alright. Another question I got is, since the G is finished, will you start another project car? I know you like Hondas, bro. You should do an EK or a Teggy. So I've thought about getting another project car, but I'm kind of at the point right now where I'm saving up for a house, all that stuff, you know, the big boy stuff. So no project car yet, probably in a couple years, but I'll still have this car. But now I'm trying to focus on buying a house, all that stuff. And I actually had a EK before this car. I'll see if I put a picture up right here before I sold it. That was my first car, but I don't want a Honda. Well, I don't want an EK or a Teggy. If I do, the only Honda I'd get is probably a S2K. Another one is, it seems like you're working for a union in your construction. If it's true, would you recommend getting into it? So I do work construction, but I don't work union. Union, you make guap. If you guys are younger and you guys trying to either go into college or not trying to do college, because I didn't go to college. I went to a trade school. I did that for a year and then got straight into working. So if you guys are not into school or none of that stuff, trades is probably the way to go. I just got one question myself. Why in the world would you want a wide body a G37? It makes no sense to me. Because I can. Because it's my car. I could do whatever I want. You could do what you want to your car, and I could do what I want to my car. That's the good thing about this car community. If you don't like it, bro, keep it moving. When are you gonna tune the car? So I think it's gonna be like a next year thing where I'll start doing the mods in the engine. I have intakes already, but in order for me to tune my car, I have to like change my whole exhaust setup, and that's for next year, because I ain't trying to spend more money on this car. So next year, hopefully I get the pops and drops, all that stuff. What type of air kit you rocking on the G? I have airlift 3P. I've been rocking it for like 3 years now. How do you balance your use of money on your car and in general priorities? Well, first things first, I make sure all the bills are paid right off the bat, and whatever money is left over. This past year, I kind of sucked because I put all the rest of the money into the car, so I didn't really save money. But since the car is pretty much where I want it to be, now I just make sure my bills are paid, and the rest of it I try to save it. Or right now I've been paying off credit cards, all that shit, and it sucks. Don't listen to me. I ain't no freaking accountant. I don't know what I'm saying. If it's up to me, I say send it, bro. Spend all of it. Bro, please tell me where you got your rear diffuser and for how much,
because top secret diffuser is almost a rack on their website, and I've been trying to get one. Well, that's how much I spent on mine. It was like $999. So you're gonna have to spend it, bro, or unless you find somebody. How much you pay for your car when you got it, and how much have you put into it in total? The car, I bought this car 4 years ago. It was $18,000, but then I got warranty and all that stuff. I don't know why I got it, because I didn't even use none of it or fucking whatever. Also, with warranty, it came out to like $23,000  4 years ago. I've put into like at least within the 4 years like 25K at least, for sure. But right now the car has like 20 on it. Why did you get the sedan over the coupe? I don't know. I don't really like the sedan. I just like how the sedans look over the coupe. That's just my opinion. A lot of people like the coupes, but I'd prefer the sedan any day. It's just the way it looks. Is it wrap or paint on your G? It's a wrap, bro. It's a wrap. If you haven't checked out the videos, go back and watch those videos. Me wrapping the car. What is your exhaust setup? A lot of people ask me this. A lot of people. So I have a resonator and muffler delete, right? But when people do a muffler / resonator delete, they'll just literally delete the muffler and replace it with a piece of pipe, and then replace the resonator with a small piece of pipe too. But what I did was, we cut it right after the Y pipe, right after that we cut it, and then we changed the pipe, the whole entire pipe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the stock pipe is like 1.5 inches, and I replaced it with a 2-inch pipe. So right after the Y, everything is just straight 2-inch the whole way. So that's why it's not so raspy. Well, it's not even raspy at all, to be honest. That's why it sounds good, man. It's just something Bedford. Where did you get your wide body kit from? AY Dynamic. I'll have the link down below. If you're trying to get this kit, hit up AY911 on Instagram. That's pretty much it for the questions. So I decided to register for the car show Import Expo out in New Jersey. So I registered today. We won't find out if I got approved or not, because you know. But that's in November 15th. If you guys out from New Jersey, or you guys are gonna pull up, I might be there. So pull up on the kit, yurt, and don't forget to cop the merch right here. Smooth Apparel. Shop smoothapparel.com. You already know the vibes, man. As I'm recording this right now, today is IFO out in New Hampshire, and I was gonna pull up, but I didn't know I had to buy tickets online, so it was already sold out. So I'm out here making a vlog for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. And don't forget to cop some merch. Shop at shopsmoothapparel.com. I'll have it down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.